do you think etiquette is? Mannerism. The way you behave. Okay. Any other? Any other word? Required qualities, discipline. Yes. Very good, Rashmi. The way we present ourselves. Right. Okay. So my definition is something like that. Now it describes the requirements of behavior according to the conventions of society. So because we live in a society, right? So we need to know, we ought to know how to behave, right? How to talk or how to communicate, right? How to dress up, right? And how your body language looks, right? Because people observe, right? Okay. So when you're going for an interview, right? When you're going for an interview, so what do interviewers take note of while conducting an interview? So this question should be posted in your mind, right? So when you can prospect yourself in these parameters. Okay? Fine? Are you listening to me?
Yes.
So I'm going to go, ask you questions in between. Make sure you are attentive. Okay? Do not give me the concepts and body present, mind absent. Okay. So first and foremost thing is attire. Do you think attire is important?
Yes.
How much?
Very much.
Very much? Somebody says very much. Okay, fine. So, how about punctuality? That is also important. Do you, okay, that will matter. The next question. How about communication? Most important. Okay. How about body language? Important. Not most important or very important?
Very important.
Okay. How about eliminating distractions? Most important. Yeah. Okay. So when you take all these 5 things, so do you think they are truly important?
Yes.
They are interrelated to one another or each other?
Yes.
Yes? Everybody?
Yes.
Okay, please don't concentrate, in jotting out everything or something, writing like a note or something, right? Only try to jot down the important points. Anyhow, this PPT will be shared to you. Alright? Yes? Okay. Coming to the interview, right? So when you're going for an interview, there are few things called do's and don'ts, isn't it? Right? So according to you, what do you think? What do you all think? What you should be doing and what you shouldn't be doing?
Know about the company before itself.
No, about these parameters we'll talk later. Yes, Siva? Okay. I forgot them.
We should know about the company before entering into the.
Exactly. You should be knowing about the company before you enter into the company premises. Very good. Any other point?
Should be knowing about the role for which we apply.
Exactly. You should be knowing about the role. You need to say about the job description, about the job profile. You should be knowing about it. Yes. Anything?
Update the resume.
Update the resume. That is pretty much important. So that is what we do again. Right. First impression is the best impression always. Yes. Nothing more?
With the things.
Excuse me?
Not messing up with the things.
Not messing up with the things, for example.
Like putting our memos or memorandums in before.
I didn't get.
Set your documents right.
Set of documents not set properly. Your documents not set properly. Your credentials not set properly. Okay. Okay. We'll speak about it later. Generally, apart from this. Need to be attentive in the interview. Confident?
Eye
Yes.
contact.
Eye contact. Very good. That's it. Anything more? Anything more, guys? Three musketeers here. Shouldn't wear any fancy kind of things, for example, clothes.
That glitters.
Okay, fine. Just more glittery or shiny kind of things. Okay, fine. Anything more?
Have control over your gestures.
Have control over your
Gestures.
gestures. Okay, body language we will speak about it in detail. Okay, anything more? From the corner, please. Exactly. So that is what she said firstly, right? Know about the company. So exactly. Whatever she told, everything comes into it. Anything more from you, please, both of you? Language skills we will speak in communication. Anything apart from these? Overconfident is also pretty dangerous, right? Okay? Only these will be marked present. No, we should be strict, sir, otherwise it gets difference. Where are we? Okay, so these are the things which you have understood and you know that, before going for an interview, these are do's and don'ts. Good. Coming to attire. So because, we have gender, right? So, genders. So based on that, we are going to speak, right? So job interview attire for men. Okay, 3 men are here. Okay. Fine. So, what are the basic things, when it comes to attire? Right? So when a word attire, okay, when it comes to your mind, a job interview. So what do you think? What do you love to wear? What do you like to wear? Proper formal, okay. We see it, okay. And you said no mustache? Decent trimming, okay. Okay. So, this picture comes into my mind. When I speak about a job interview for men, so this picture comes into my mind. So there is, a trouser, there's a formal shirt, right? There's a tie, there's shoe with a lace, right? Okay? And also lace should have aglets, right? What is an aglet? A-G-L-E-T? A plastic covering and then the end of the shoelace, right? That is called as an aglet. Okay? So make sure your shoe is proper like that and it is polished. Okay? Then wristwatch. Okay? Make sure that it is working. And your bag. Okay? Always make sure you carry your bag. Maybe you are having important documents. You need to carry your important documents, maybe your lunch bag or your snack bag, whatever it is, your water bottle. So make sure that you carry all those, right? Okay. So when you're wearing shoe, make sure that you're wearing what inside? Socks. These days it's become fashion, saying that, man, this is fashion, aapko pata nahi hai. Right? So without socks, wearing shoe is a fashion. You must be a fashion freak, but that's not right. Okay? How about wristwatch? Don't wear it upside down. Upside down. You need to, when you look at your wristwatch, right? It happens. It happens. Maybe you're in attention, right? You're nervous. Okay? So it happens. Fine. Any other additions here? So when you come to colors, okay, colors, what kind of color you should be wearing in the job interview, right? So these are the things like a navy or dark gray wool suit if it's winter, right? Go for a wool suit, right? Tie and a white or light blue dress shirt and speaking of a formal shirt, something like he is wearing, right? Prashant is wearing, right? Okay. For a more casual environment, sport coat, this is not needed for you. Okay. So do you think belt is important, the waist belt? When you're wearing formals? Yes? That is important. Yes? Okay. Belt, we spoke about shoe. So, coming to shoe again, don't wear it in colors. Multi colors. Don't do that. Either black or brown, sometimes maroonish kind of a shade, right? These days you get it. Yes? Okay. Always match leathers. Okay? Matching leathers mean?
Your belt and your
Shoe, your belt, your wallet and your bag. It should match. Okay? Don't take green color wallet, red color bag, brown color shoe, white color lace. Okay? Don't do that. Okay? Fine. How about watch? Wristwatch. Wristwatch. Mostly if it is metals, that would be fine. Okay? Fine? Right. So belt, make sure you have a buckle. Big buckle with MJ or something like that. Please avoid it. It looks very awkward. Right? Yes? Okay. So either it should be gold or silver, no multi-colors you think. Right? Yes. Okay. All clothing must be tailored to fit well. You know, I see some people when they come for the interview, their cufflinks are loose. Okay? It's not buttoned. Just put it. Shouldn't be doing it. Okay? Make sure that your cufflink buttons should be well. Should be buttoned well. Right? If it is, the button is not there, make sure that you hold it something like this. What's your name? Mr. Reddy. Prabhu Reddy, right? Yeah. Okay. So if you're wearing jackets, or if you're wearing a blazer, make sure that you are, wearing it the right size. If you're fat, you got it from your friend who is very thin, right? It's very uncomfortable, right? And avoid ill-fitting clothes. Okay, so maybe your trouser is loose, your fitting is belt, right? Your waist belt and the trouser is coming down. Make sure that it doesn't work, right? You should look neat and tidy. That is more important. Okay, so that is about men's attire. Okay. Excuse me? Yes. Yes. Sometimes no. If you're a fresher, make sure that you don't. If you have experience, make sure that you wear it right. That's a secret. And that too, if you are opting for, you are looking out for a job opportunity in hierarchy position, right? So maybe you want to become a HR summit or HR manager or a team lead or something like that. You have ample of experience. Make sure that you tie your neck right. How to dress for a job interview again? Few things here. Okay, are you able to see the picture clearly? Everybody? I think voice couldn't concentrate much. So, how about your hair? It shouldn't be shabby, right? It shouldn't be shabby. It should be well dressed, well cut, right? Okay? And few people they come in such a way that it's like a nest on the head. Okay? Don't do that. Okay. White or blue solid shirt, right? Formal shirt which has a collar, tight collar, right? And well patterned tie. Don't go for bright colors. Okay, that gives a negative impression, right? And if you're wearing a blazer, make sure that you have a square pocket, right? Make sure that you put a square in that, right? Square cloth, right? Okay. How about your sleeves? Make sure that if you're wearing a blazer, your sleeve should be seen, right? The cuff part should be seen. Okay. Fine. And if you're wearing a blazer, make sure that you button them properly. Not all the buttons, that's wrong. Second one and third one. If you have two buttons, okay, one is enough. While sitting, make sure that you open the buttons and then sit. Don't do that in front of the interviewer. You're opening it and sitting it together at once. Two actions at once. Okay? Well, how about the trouser? Make sure that your trouser is not longer than your
Ankle.
exactly shoes. Okay? I see that few people let out their trouser comes underneath their shoe. That's wrong. So that the brim or that corner of that trouser should fall on the ankle of the feet. Okay? Clear, everybody? Okay? Is it helping you all, everybody?
Yes.
Your shoes should be polished. Ma'am, did they get the permission? Your shoes should be polished well. Okay? Yes? And your shoe, if there's lace to your shoe, make sure that it should be tied well. Okay? Loose lace and snow sweeping the ground, don't do that. Okay? One more thing, if you're carrying a briefcase or some kind of bag, make sure that you're carrying to your left hand side. Okay? If you're carrying a file, to your right arm. Clear, everybody? Yes? Now, this is an interesting part. Everybody will listen. Right. Job interview for women. Okay? Okay. So these are the items which you see for job interview. What you should be wearing. Right? So no fast colors or dark colors. Yes. Last time also I spoke about it. Yes. And no garish makeup. Need to say no heavy makeup. Right? Anything more we spoke about? No glittery jewelry. Hair should be tied. Hairstyle should be perfect. Very good. Okay. So if you're wearing a skirt, make sure that you are it's still knee length. Okay. If you're wearing slacks, make sure that it should be paired with the blouse or the shirt, formal shirt and jacket. Here. Very good. Okay. Okay. Hair, it should be tied. No hairstyles, please. Okay. If you have straightened your hair, make sure that you leave it properly or flip it. Okay, put a clutch or something like that. If there are curls, make sure that you leave them properly. Right? Don't keep on matching your hair here and there. Looks awkward. Okay? I do that everybody. Okay. Shoes with 2 or 3 inch heel maximum. Don't wear 5 inch, 7 inch feet. Pencil fit, okay. But don't wear 5 to 7 inch heel, 7 to 8 inches heel. There are people I've seen, they go 10 inches heel also for the interview. Okay, you can't manage. Okay, fine. Bare legs are allowed in warm weather. Okay, bare legs mean here if you're not wearing slacks, make sure maybe you're wearing
Stockings.
yes, exactly. Right, bare legs maybe in the summer, maybe you're wearing a chappal or a sandal or wedges, right, something like that. Or stilettos. What is stilettos? Stilettos. Toes are covered, something like that. Nevertheless, there are some kind of pumps, right? Stilettos is something like you get a heel backside like that, very sleek and slender, right? It's pointed. Yes, yes, it's pointed, right? Men also wear pointed shoe, kind of a stilettos with lace, right? Okay, and good quality accessories. Okay, only because you're going for interview, don't make sure that now you are buying them and then wearing it to impress people. Don't do that. Okay? Yes? Don't buy Armani watch and wear it and go to impress people. No, you can't do that. Okay? Okay. Okay. Do not be flirty, not revealing your body parts. That is very much important. Even it is for men also, right? Not to reveal your body parts. So you should have control over your dressing. Okay? I can't.
Can we wear ethnic wear?
Yes, ethnic. It should be there, but make sure that it is formal again. Okay? One more thing. If you have certain doubts like that, make sure that you call that particular HR manager or the person who has called you for the interview. That's better. Okay? Maybe they have a dress code. Please ask them. Okay? Don't ask them what should I be wearing. That's a weird question. Right? So you should be asking them.
What is the dress
Is there any dress code for the interview, please? Okay? Alright. So coming to the other thing. Make sure it is, matching. Like maybe in the winters you're wearing a jacket or kind of a blazer. Make sure you have a scarf or something like that. Okay, to cover your neck. Okay? Our bag. Don't carry a big bag. Okay? Nevertheless, we women have many things in the bag. Okay, we have many secrets to carry, but still, right? Don't carry a huge bag. Okay, a snack pack or a lunch pack within your bag and a water bottle. That's good. Okay, so don't carry, extra pair of dress to change there. Don't do that. I do it all the time. Okay. Okay. So interview attire, so do's and don'ts. Something, she's wearing something called stilettos, the black ones, right? So those are called as stilettos. Okay. So jewelry in moderation, don't wear. Mere paas hi hai jewelry. Don't put on all those, please. Okay. Right. Two-piece suit if you're wearing, knee-length skirt should be there. Okay. And the other things, okay, which should not be revealed, okay, that one is the fourth one. And coming to the shoe, make sure it is dark, okay, dark in color, not more flashy, okay. Don't go like this for an interview, please, as if you are going to a supermarket to buy things.
Can we carry a backpack instead of
Excuse me?
Can we carry our backpacks instead
Yes,
of
you can. You can. Okay. Coming to the other thing, your nails.
pretty much important.
Yes, it should be well shaped. Okay, don't show off your big nails, please. Okay, neatly polished. Okay, nail tattooing arts, you can show it them later, not at the interview. Exactly. Okay, fine. Coming to punctuality, be on time. I'm still trying this. Be on time. What is it? Exactly. Okay. Don't rush. Don't rumble, here and there for your things. Don't do that. Okay? Be on time. Plan it a day before. What you're planning to wear. Right? How do you want to look? Wear it once and see. Okay? So arriving late is a serious thing. Right? Yes. Showing up too early is like there's something fishy. Right? So, excuse me. Yes, you have something to say? Okay, too early is also bad. Early bird. Okay, too early bird is also dangerous. Right? So, plan on showing up no more than 5 to 10 minutes before the appointed time. Okay, for the examination before 30 minutes chalega. Right, for the interview before 5 to 10 minutes more than enough. Clear? Yes, everybody? So here, there's a little trick to ensure that you hit these marks, right? So before the interview, 30 minutes before. No. If it's too far, that's all. Maybe you have to travel from one corner of the city to the other corner of the city, then I think you don't have to, take chance. If it's 30 minutes earlier, they would understand. Clear? Okay? Right. Okay. Don't roam around if you're not able to find the address. Right? It happens sometimes. You're not able to find the building. Right? For example, you've been to Gachibowli, there are many buildings, right? You're not able to find the exact building which you need to pitch to. Right? So make sure you call the concerned person how to, when to arrive, how to, and what is the exact route to reach the destiny. Okay, go to a local coffee shop or maybe they have a cafeteria, right? Okay, and one more thing, do not ask them, are you giving us some snacks? Are you providing us few snacks or something like that? Don't do that. Don't do that. That's bad. Very bad. Right? Don't do that. Okay. So maybe you've been in car. Okay, sit in your car. Sometimes listen to some music. Maybe it gives a soothing feeling to you. Right? Then try to practice, however you want to answer. Right? So it will boost you. Right? It will boost your confidence. Yes? As it said, as it is right to say, practice makes man perfect. Right? So if you practice for 10 minutes, that's not a harm. Right? Next, coming to body language. Do you think body language is important? Yes. How important? Very important. How much very? Very important. Right? Okay. So you see the picture there, okay? The lady is sitting there, okay? Sitting up with straight legs, right? And the other lady, if you see, she's crossing her legs, right? So, do you think that is right? Which one is right? Both are correct actually. Both are correct. Okay. Man sitting there, no, it shows that he is in some kind of exhaustion, right? Yes, he's putting his hand on his forehead, right? He's happy or he's exhausted or maybe he's nervous, right? Yes, so that's not a good sign. That shows, that gives a negative impression. And do you see the lady there, the last one? Do you think that's a good posture? No. Okay, that shows the attitude. That shows that she has an attitude. Isn't it? Yes? So don't try to give negative impressions about you to the other person. Okay? Make sure you have good body language. Postures here. There are 4 postures here. Okay, I spoke about sitting up straight or standing straight, right? We also spoke about the eye contact, right? Eye contact, smiling, being enthusiastic, right? Because you're trying to learn something, you're trying to gain knowledge from the other person whom you do not know, right? Use hand gestures. This is important. Don't clench your fingers like that. No, don't pack them up. Make sure you use your hands, right? If I keep on speaking like this to you, do you think that will work out? Because you're observing me, right? You are observing me. Okay? Maybe sometimes you're not able to. No, for them also. I'm having a high contact. Maybe tomorrow you are becoming an interviewer. Make sure that postures are in your mind, right? So which is the right one, which is the wrong one? Okay. Yes. First posture, if you see, okay, both men and women can sit like that. Okay. Second posture, if you see, that is also correct. That is also correct. Okay? But when a man is, crossing his legs and sitting, make sure that you sit like a man, not like a lady. You understand? Don't try to be a Priyanka Chopra. Okay? Fine. Third one. That's absolutely wrong. It's like, kab hoga interview yaar, itna time ho. Right? Don't do that. Okay? Right? So these are the thoughts which are in your mind, and the way you sit is portraying the same. Right? It gives negative impression. Right? Last one. Wrong. It shows that no, you are not at all interested. You're trying, you have come to give a try, that's it. Yes? If you're feeling sleepy, you can wash your face. Right? So these are the things. So do not slouch, stare, frown, right? Or fidget, something like that. Okay? Maybe your friend is there at the interview. Okay, the same company, same time, right? Same place. Don't lean on that person. Okay? Right? Okay? No mother tongue influence there. Don't do that. They are observing you. They are listening to you. Men also. Arey mama don't do that. Okay? Mama outside the gate. But it also way. Outside the gate. Okay? Fine. much confident, but I see a little bit of nervousness in you. Okay, but still. Second one. He looks like Ramanandan, somebody says. No? Okay. You are very nervous. And it shows that you are very possessive. Very possessive. How about the third one?
Not interested.
On and on, you are looking at your file. Okay, you are gazing it on and on. Overconfident. So when you're sitting, do not cross your legs. I told you for men, so don't try to become Priyanka Chopra. Yes? Okay? You want to sit up straight, both the legs in front of you, and with your hands relaxed to your sides. Okay? Right. So aim to look comfortable. Okay? Comfortable, but still alert and professional. Okay. We'll show you also become, what do you call, a spy kind of, right? You look at the interviewer and guess what is going to ask you. Yes. Look at his body language. This is how you learn. Exactly. Yes. So do they seem to be relaxed or even they are feeling nervous? Nevertheless, they will be at a nerve tracking situation, but still. Right? You also need to observe. Right? Because they are also put through that kind of scrutiny. Okay? Okay. Next, handshakes. No, you cannot do. Nice question. Okay. Maybe you are sitting on a table. Don't put your hands there. Lean on it. Don't do that. No, you cannot place hands on the table. No. It becomes too friendly. Mean to say, it gives a sign saying that you're trying to be friendly with them, not to make friendship with them. Okay. Next. Coming to handshakes. Okay? I told you earlier, if you are meeting a friend, okay? Don't pat them. Don't pat them on the shoulders, on the cheeks. Girls do this. Okay? Men also do this. Give them one on their hands. Don't do that. Nevertheless, you met your friends, but try to be more professional here. Okay? Friends outside the gate. Okay? Here you have come to make a career. Okay? You need to note that. You have gone for the interview, mean to say you're gone to make a career. Okay? Friends come and go, but career is most important. So, have control over your behavior. Here? Yes? Handshakes. Maybe you like that interviewer. Oh, he's handsome. Look at that handsome hand. Don't pull his hand. Don't pull her hand. Don't do that. It happens. Yes, we are human beings. We have feelings, but this is reality. This happens. That is why I said, when you're dressing up, don't be flirty enough, right? So this is one of the things again. Okay? Finger squeeze. Right? Maybe they are younger to you and you are elder to them. You like them, don't squeeze. Maybe one of your friends or your relatives or your well-wishers or one of your family friends might be the interviewer. Could be. Maybe you do not know, but at the time of interview, you get to know. Don't squeeze their fingers. Don't break their bones. Okay? This is a proper handshake. Everybody, please have a look. This is a proper handshake. So your entire palm is getting into the palm of the interviewer, and your thumb is rightly fixing onto the middle of the outer side of the palm. Here, everybody, yes? Palm pinch. If a man is going, he is a interviewee, lady is the interviewer, person who takes interview is called as interviewer. So when you are going for an interview, you are an interviewee. W-E-E. Don't handshake a lady like that. And ladies don't give a handshake to men like that. Okay? To your left hand side, whatever picture is shown, that is the right handshake. Clear? And it should be firm. As I told you, don't clench the fingers or don't crush their bones or something like that. Right? You shouldn't be holding their hands just like that when you're giving it. Right? So more than 3 seconds it shouldn't be. Okay? So it also includes a good eye contact here with the other person. When you're shaking hands, don't look there and that's wrong. That's pretty much wrong. Please go and wash your face. You are sleeping. It's drooling. Falling off. Coming to communication. Communication. No person is a good speaker. Do you agree with me?
Yes.
I also speak errors sometimes. I do speak. I learn from it. Right? So, communication. Right? Now you should check yourself on these parameters. Are you a fast talker? Or do you have pace while talking or communicating? Okay? And how slowly do you speak? Are you articulating or are you pronouncing the words in the right way or not? Yes, that is pretty much important. If you go, I've seen many people when they come for the interview, suddenly that accent comes out of their mouth. Right? Don't do that. Don't do that. Fake accent. Don't go for it. Okay? If you wish to say good morning sir, good morning sir. Don't say good morning sir. Boom. Okay, that's a fake accent. Okay. Speak clearly and with intention. You should speak clearly. Sometimes, when I get scared, I speak very slowly. It happens with us, right? It happens with everyone. Right? So, but still, you should speak clearly with intention. What intention you have, you should be speaking that. Okay? Avoid using sounds like Alright. Okay? The sounds. I know. All these sounds should be avoided. Okay, in communication. Because it is formal, it is not informal. You are not talking to your friend, you are talking to some XYZ person who is an interviewer. You are trying to showcase yourself, you are trying to showcase your personality. Right? Yes? You're trying to shape up your career, that platform is to market yourself. right? You need to market yourself in the right way, isn't it? Yes? What's happening? Last bench? Okay. Make sure you understand your intonation and pitch with sentences, okay? To avoid making statements sound like question. Okay, so when somebody is questioning you, okay, the interviewer is questioning you, okay, make sure that you answer them properly. Don't put them questions again. Okay? Don't ask them, night shift only, night shift? No day shift, no graveyard shift. Don't ask all these questions. Whatever they say, please listen. If you have doubts, please ask, but don't put them in the form of a question so that they get surprised and they get negative vibes about it. Okay, meeting and greeting, again in communication, last time also we have learned, right? So as soon as you enter into the room, you are going to wish them. If it is good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, whatsoever the time like this, you will wish according to that. Okay? The man is always, that is a traditional type when no man is introducing himself to a woman, right? Or vice versa sometimes. Right. So highest person of rank is mentioned first, remember, right? May I introduce, right? So interviewer introduces himself, right? Then you will introduce. Okay? The other person is okay. Make sure that you state your name, you give your name. If they say, what is your name? Indraja, please speak about yourself. Don't start. As you know, as my profile shows, my name is Indraja. Don't start off like that. Okay? I am so and so, I am so and so. Start like that. Okay? I hold so many years of experience. Blah blah. Okay? Eliminating distractions, right? So maybe it got late, right? You had lunch. Make sure you have a toothpick, right? Yes. Then cell phones, your mobiles should be off, right? Then loose garments, please. Tie is going elsewhere. Your cufflinks are open. Please set it right. Your buttons are open. Set it right. Okay? Women also. Maybe your jewelry is coming out. Right? Your hair is not proper. Please ensure that you make use. So additional interview likability wins something like good manners. Say please, thank you, right? So they give you seat to sit, they offering seat to sit, and say thank you. Okay? Supporting others through positivity, maybe you have experience. Don't speak ill about the company which you have left. Okay? Don't speak ill about that company. Maybe you had weird experiences. Just simply say that no, it is personal. Personal, that's it. They shut their mouth. They will not speak about it. Okay, matching the environment. Okay, pay attention to the corporate culture. Okay, you should be ready enough to adapt that culture. Because it is your choice, that is why you are there. Yes? Agree with me, everybody? Because it is your choice, you are there. Don't say, these people are like this, how will I manage? Why are you worried about the people? You should be worried about your career. You should be worried about your development, your growth, right? About the CPC. This is very, very important. Yes? Just joking. Right. Okay. Make sure that if given time you're walking here and there in the premises, right? So make sure that you observe things, how people are interacting with one another, how is the work culture. So you will understand better. Warm versus cold personality. Make sure you have good humor, right? Unnecessary silly jokes, silly talk, right? Immaterial things in your conversation. Don't get all those things. Okay? Make sure whomever you're talking to, whomever you're sitting with, make sure that that person is also comfortable with you. Okay? Active listening. This is pretty much important. Only if you listen to the question properly, you will be able to understand it. Even if you're not prepared to answer, you will get answers. Spontaneity comes, right? Don't fear while speaking. क्या समझेंगे ये लोग? Don't do that. No negativity at all in your brain. That thought should be cut off, right? You should cut it off. Okay? Fine. Right. So the last thing we have. Okay. The last thing we have. During the interview, make sure that you make a positive and professional first impression. As I told you, first impression is always the best impression. Next is listen to interviewer's name and the correct pronunciation. For example, if I'm sitting right in front of you as an interviewer, right? So if I say my name is Magdalene, don't be different names. Somebody say Maithili, somebody say McDonald's, somebody say something. So make sure that you become an active listener, right? Yes. And observe the proper or the correct pronunciation. Address your interview by title. Okay? So Mr. So-and-so. Okay? Maybe you're asking some other person, can I meet that HR manager Manoj? Right? Smile always, no frowny face. Okay? Can I meet him? Where is the HR manager? Don't do that. Okay? Stay calm. Stay calm. Not too much talking. Right? So maintain good eye contact during the interview. Yes. Okay? Don't look at him like that all the time. He's uncomfortable while answering. Right? So maybe he's interviewing me. I can't be looking into his eyes constantly and answering him. No, it looks odd. Right? Otherwise, yeah, sometimes here and there. Right? And don't look at some other person or don't look at the wall when we talking. It happens with me sometimes. Okay. So avoid cracking jokes with the interviewer. Maybe he has a tattoo on his hands or arms. Okay, don't say that. What's the tattoo here? Zindagi tattoo banane do. Okay. Take a few notes during your interview. Yes. It's not mandatory, but if needed. Listen and pause before answering the question. Before completing the question, okay, before the interviewer completes the question, don't answer. I know this answer. I know that you will question. I know that you will put me this question. Don't run into the conclusion like that. Don't do that. Okay? Respond to questions and back up your statements about yourself with specific examples whenever possible. So maybe they're asking you what is your hobby. So maybe you're telling them I listen to live music, okay, or reading books. So what was the last book you read? Can you please narrate it to me? Okay. You have, if it is a wrong answer, made up a story. Okay. Kangal, right? Yes. As per clarification, if you didn't understand the question, you say, please, could you please repeat it? Could you please pardon me? Right? Okay. So be thorough in your responses while being concise in your wording. Okay? As we said, no sounds like that. It should be clear. Avoid all these things. Right? No slangs. Yeah. Okay, fine. Don't do that. Yeah is informal. Yes is formal. Okay? Be honest and be yourself. Okay? Exhibit a positive attitude. Try to stay confident, not overconfident also. Right? Treat the interview seriously because you are there to make a career. I told you, I repeat it again. Right? So make sure you